Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is we're going back in a backyard garden. So me and my kids are gonna spend some time early morning and gonna breathe some fresh air. So let's go. Hello Jacob. Hey friends, this is our cat Jacob.
Jacob.
See how cute he is.
He's big.
Hello Jacob. Hey, where you going? Wait. Leave him. Vinay. Leave.
Go.
Let him go. I think after the breakfast he's going for some walk now.
Go walk. I'm also walking.
Now let's meet Kenneth. He's still eating and eating and eating. Hello Kenneth. So he's having his breakfast, that is rice and dry fish, which my mom gives them mostly for breakfast. Hey Kenneth. Okay, have your breakfast. I won't disturb you.
Alex, sunbath. Alex, sunbath.
Now let's meet Alex.
Alex, he's doing sunbath.
Jacob still sitting here. Jacob. I think he's feeling shy and he's running away. I'll show you Alex now. See how Jacob is climbing on the wooden logs, and here he's having sunbath. This is Alex. See how beautiful he is taking sunbath. Hey Alex.
Hey, Alex. Hey, Alex. Hey, Alex.
Hey.
Hey, Alex.
I think he is annoyed. Ow! He's saying, Alisha, why did you disturb me? And he took his anger on Jacob now. Vinisha.
Hi.
You guys finished playing
Yes,
or you still want to play?
I want to play now.
Come, let's have first breakfast, then we'll go down and play.
Okay. Hi, friends. See how?
So this is,
See, this is my cat, Alex. Do you want to see Alex?
he's not Alex. He's Alex only, right? I thought it's Kenneth.
I love Alex.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you beautiful rose plant. Check this out. This is a beautiful rose, and this is a special Gulkand rose. Okay, you hardly get it anywhere. This is a rose plant, and this is a guava plant, and this is a garden view. Check out. See how beautiful the breeze is flowing.
Sky.
So my mom and me, we like greenery, we like plants, so we have planted many fruit trees over here. So as I've shown you earlier, these are all beautiful fruit trees. See guys, can you see this plant?
I'm climbing.
Can you see this pomegranate? This is at the initial stage. It's a flower right now, and it's soon gonna convert into a beautiful pomegranate. See, here you'll see there are
Ready?
2 pomegranates, and here are guavas also, guavas and pomegranates.
Mom.
So this is a beautiful garden view. I'm enjoying the breeze.
Mom.
What, Alicia?
See, I'm climbing.
Alicia is playing. So basically kids are enjoying a lot because I hardly take them out due to COVID. So today I've taken them out in a backyard for some time so that they can breathe early morning fresh air.
Alicia, help me.
Be careful, huh? You'll slip.
I'm sleeping.
And this is a beautiful Christmas
Come on,
tree.
don't get
Yo.
scared. Don't get.
And behind the tree, you'll see this is my mom. She had come to feed the cats.
This can fall, huh?
And this is again another jamun tree. This year we had got many jamuns.
Come on.
So hope you like the view of a garden
Mom,
and a backyard.
Mommy.
Alisha wants to show something. Let's go and see. Oh,
Jacob's bed.
she wants to show Jacob. So after having stomach full breakfast, he's come and he's sitting on the bike and resting now. Hey, why are you disturbing him, man? Don't disturb him.
Kenneth is coming.
See now, Kenneth is also coming. Give them their space, man. Don't disturb him. Come on, let him go. You'll get hurt, huh? Alisha, be careful. Hey, he'll snatch you. Vinisha, don't touch him.
I love baby.
I know you like him, but still, be careful. You'll get hurt.
No, not.
Hey, Jacob.
He loves me.
Hello, Jacob.
Catty, catty, catty.
See how he's lying. And he doesn't want him to be disturbed.
He wants to play.
Don't do that, man. He'll get hurt.
He wants to play. Play.
So Alisha is very naughty. She's not letting him alone, and she's just disturbing him, and he's trying to play now.
This is my speed. Come on. Yee-hoo.
Jacob, tell me what happened. She's troubling you, Jacob? Do you want me to scold her? Hey, he'll get hurt. Be careful. Alisha, don't do that. Vinisha, what are you up to?
I want to do band. This is my baby.
Bow and arrow. You want to
Bow and
prepare a
arrow.
bow and arrow? Okay. Go search for some good stick for that.
Okay.
Alisha, you'll drop my bike, okay?
No.
So basically, kids have come out after few days because I don't allow them to come out due to COVID.
Oh, sky.
Hey guys, see this view, so beautiful. Can you see? This is what is called nature, the beauty of nature. See? How beautiful it is.
Mama, hit up. Mama.
Alisha, don't climb there, you'll fall.
Sunset.
See the sun rays falling on the trees and the beautiful breeze flowing. It's so lovely. So hope you like this video. Kindly share, subscribe and comment on my video. Thank you.